Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick give you the top 3 reasons why people tell us they want to skip the spring pre-emergent. Be it because they think they shouldn't get it or they don't need it. These are the top 3 reasons that we hear from people. Number one is winter rye. We get people that call in and say, I've planted winter rye, I've got winter rye on my lawn, so don't do the spring pre-emergent because it will harm the winter rye. That's just not true. By now, your winter rye should already be established. It's already growing and nice and green and lush, and so you need to treat it just like any other lawn and get your spring pre-emergent out. It's the fall pre-emergent application you have to worry about when it comes to winter rye, because that's when you plant your seeds. So you don't want to plant your seeds and then put pre-emergent out because it'll keep them from germinating. But right now you're good to go, so go ahead and get your pre-emergent out, or else you'll have a lot of weeds coming up later. Secondly, is my neighbors don't take care of their lawn. They have weeds everywhere, and therefore it'll be a waste of time or money for me to do anything because their weeds are just going to take over my lawn anyways. And that's not true as well. That pre-emergents are going to work no matter where the weeds come from, no matter where the seeds come from. It's going to work. So if you want to turn your lawn around, don't let what your neighbors are doing with their lawn determine what you do with yours. Just go ahead and get your pre-emergent out because it is going to make a big difference in your lawn no matter what. And then thirdly and finally, what we hear the most is my lawn is already full of weeds, therefore it's too late for me. I need to wait till next year because obviously I missed my time frame. That's not true either. Remember that we're always thinking in advance with pre-emergence. Right now we're preventing weeds that are going to be coming up months from now. Weeds are seasonal. What you see right now in your lawn, if you got weeds right now, those are going to die off and something else is going to come and take their place. Whenever those die off, something else will come and take their place as the seasons change. So it's very important to realize that, and that's what we're preventing. Whenever you get your pre-emergent out, it will slowly but surely reduce the number of weeds that are coming up in your lawn until it's completely controlled. So that's what we're trying to do with this application, is to prevent weeds from coming up later on in the spring and in the summer months. It has nothing to do with what you see right now. So anyways, those are the top 3 reasons. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Ask away. We'll be glad to answer your questions or help you in any way we can. Thanks.